Hey guys, welcome. This is how to recover a file that was deleted on Windows. So guys, in order for you to do that, first thing is I'm gonna show you when you delete stuff. So from here, select right click on the file that you want to delete and select delete. And after that, right click on the file and just simply select delete. Now guys, if somehow you change your mind and you want to recover your deleted files on your Windows, you just simply use the start menu or the search bar and search for recycle bin. So guys, everything that you have deleted will be redirected to the recycle bin. And if you haven't select empty recycle bin over here, you should be able to have your file over here. Now guys, in order for you to recover this one, just simply select the file that you want to recover and right click on it and select restore. And remember guys, when you restore it, it will be back on the location where you have deleted it, and as you can see over here. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.